Hello students, in last lecture you have seen up to exercise 4.2. Now today we are going to see some more equations. See this solve 12p minus 5 is equal to 25. Okay, now according to 4.2 if you see, you will solve this example by adding plus 5 on both the side. Okay, but we are going to see in another way. Okay, now let us see this. See this example, equation 12p minus 5 is equal to 25. Okay, now see this minus 5, what I have done, I have taken this minus 5 on this RHS and it has become plus 5. See, it has become plus 5. Okay, so what I have done, I have just changed the side of this number. So see, let us see, 12p is equal to 25 plus 5, 30. So p as it is 12 in the denominator on right hand side. So the value of p is 5 upon 2. Okay, how 5 upon 2? 6 5s are 6 2s are. Okay, so what I have done in this, see, I have just changed the side of this minus 5, and while going this on RHS, this sign will become plus sign. Here this 12 is in multiplication with p, so while going on RHS it will be in division with this 30. So 30 upon 12. In exercise 4.2 we have seen all this. Okay, but we were adding same number on both the side, right? Now see, I have changed here the side of the number. This changing is nothing but what we call this transposing. The changing of side is called as transposing. Okay, now see one more example. See this 3p minus 10 is equal to 5. By adding or subtracting on both the sides, see according to 4.2 what we have done here, we have added 10 on both the sides. Okay, so see what we have got here, 3p minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 5 plus 10. Okay, this minus 10 plus 10 cancel, 3p is equal to 15, right? 3p is equal to 15. Now in same equation, by transposing what we get, see here it is 10, transpose minus 10 from LHS to RHS. So minus 10 will become plus 10 on transposing. So 3p is equal to 5 plus 10, that is 3p is equal to 15. See here 3p is equal to 15. Here also 3p is equal to 15, right? So this adding or subtracting on both side and transposing are same thing. You can solve an equation either by this way or by this way. Okay, the answer should be correct. Transposing is nothing but transposing a number, that is changing the side of a number, is same as adding or subtracting the number from both the side. This method and this method are same. So exercise 4.4 is based on this method. Okay, so let us start exercise 4.4. Now let us start exercise 4.3. See question number 1. What is question number 1 here? Solve 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 upon 2. Now see, you can see this equation. See, we have to solve it by transposing the number, means changing the side of the number. Okay, now see this, transpose this plus 5 on RHS. It is on LHS, so we have to transpose it on RHS. Okay, so now see this 2y remains as it is equal to 37 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. See, this is plus, so on changing the side of on the equality, it will become opposite sign. It is positive, so negative will become. Either it will be negative, then it must have become positive. But here it is positive sign, so it is negative. Okay, now see 2y is equal to, denominator are same, so we can easily 37 minus 5 upon 2, 32 upon 2. Okay, so 2y is equal to 2 ones are 2 16s are, we all know that. See, now it is 2y is equal to 16 is there. So transpose this 2 to RHS. Now this 2 is in with multiplication. So while going on RHS, it will be in division with the 16. So y is equal to 16 upon 2. 2 ones are and 2 8s are. So value of y is 8. If you want to check it is right or not, just substitute the value in this. Okay, see, we can see this 2 into 8 16, 16 plus 5 upon 2. So this 2 into 16, that is 32 plus 5, 37 upon 2. Okay, you should do this orally or by manually. Okay, now see next example. See, 7m plus 19 upon 2 is equal to 13. Again this 19 upon 2 is transposed to RHS. Okay, each and every time you have to write this, transpose this 19 upon 2 through RHS. So 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 upon 2. Now see, here it is 2, here it is 2. Okay, so we have taken LCM, it is 2. So 2 is multiplied by 13 and 2 is multiplied by this denominator 1. 13 into 2, 26 minus 19 upon 2. Okay, so 26 minus 19 is equal to 7 upon 2. This is 7m is equal to 7 upon 2. Now see, this is 7 is there, so we will transpose 7 to RHS. Now see, this m as it is equal to 7 upon 2. This is in multiplication with m, so while coming here it will be in division with this. Okay, division with this means 1 upon 7. So this 7 cancelled out, this 7 cancelled out. Value of m is 1 upon 2. You can substitute this value here and you will get the answer. Okay, see one more example of question number 1. 2b upon 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. So we have to transpose this minus 5 to RHS. So we have transposed this 5 to RHS. Okay, 2b upon 3 is equal to 3. This minus 5 will become plus 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 2b upon 3 is equal to 8. Now first we will transpose this 3. Okay, not 2. You can do it, but for betterment of, for easy calculation, we will first transpose this 3. So transpose this 3 to RHS. Here it is in division, so here it will be in multiplication. So 2b is equal to 8 into 3. Okay, now see, 2b is equal to 24. 8 3s are 24. Now see this, transpose this 2 to RHS. b is equal to 24 upon 2. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 12s. So value of b is 12. You can again substitute this value in the main equation, so you will get the answer. Now see question number 2. See, what is the equation here? 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. Now see, 2 into x plus bracket x plus 4 is equal to 12. Okay, don't multiply this in the bracket, because you have to subtract, you have to eliminate this 2, then only you can find the value of x. So transpose this 2 to RHS. So x plus 4 is equal to 12 upon 2. Okay, so 12 upon 2 is 6, x plus 4 is equal to 6, right? So now this 4 we have to transpose to RHS. Transpose 4 to RHS. X is equal to 6 minus 4, x is equal to 2. You can put the value and see whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. See one more example. 3n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. Right? See, transpose this 3 to RHS. N minus 5 is equal to minus 21 upon 3. That gives you minus 7. So this minus 5 you will transpose to RHS. Okay, transpose this 5 minus 5 to RHS. It will become plus 5. So n is equal to minus 7 plus 5. That will become n is equal to minus 2, because this is greater number sign. N is equal to minus 2. Okay. See one more question of question number 2. See this. minus 4 into bracket 2 plus x is equal to 8. So first we will transpose this minus 4, okay, to RHS. So it will become plus 4? No. Why? Because this is in multiplication. So it will not become plus. So transpose minus 4 to RHS. 2 plus x is equal to 8 upon minus 4. Okay. So 2 plus x is equal to minus 2. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Okay. Minus sign is there. So minus 2. Now we will transpose this x to RHS. So x is equal to minus 2 as it is. This minus 2. So value of x is minus 4. If you substitute this value here in this equation, if you will get answer 8, then the solution is correct. Otherwise it is incorrect. Now see question number 3. Now see question number 3. In question number 3 you will see variables on both the sides. Okay, we will see that question. First solve this. Minus 4 is equal to 5 p minus 2. Okay, now see, on LHS only one constant is there and on RHS variable is there. In same way we have to solve. See this 5 we will transpose to LHS. Okay, so transpose 5 to LHS, so it will become minus 4 upon 5 is equal to p minus 2. P minus 2. Okay, so transpose this minus 2 to LHS, it will become plus minus 4 upon 5 plus 2 is equal to P. So see this LCM we have taken, and by that we have got minus 4 plus 10 upon 5. Minus 4 plus 10 upon 5. Okay, to take at denominator 5 here, we have to multiply here also 5. So 2 5s are 10, denominator 5. So minus 4 plus 10 upon 5 is equal to P. Minus 4 plus 10 is 6 upon 5. So value of P is 6 upon 5. Right? See this equation. 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. Now see, now you cannot take this 4 directly on LHS. So first you have to solve this, simplify this. Okay, see this, 16 is equal to 4 as it is, 3 into t, 3t plus 3 into 2, 6. So 16 is equal to 4 plus 6, 10, 3t as it is. Okay, now you can transpose this. Now you can transpose this 10 to LHS. So 16 minus 10 is equal to 3t. 16 minus 10 is 6 is equal to 3t. Now you transpose this 3 to LHS. That gives you 6 upon 3 is equal to t. And the value of t is 2. You can substitute this in the main equation and you can see whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. See one more example. 4 plus 5 into bracket p minus 1 is equal to 34. Okay, now see this same here. First we will have to simplify this. So 4 plus 5 into p, 5p minus sign as it is, 5 into 1, 5 is equal to 34. So 5p, 4 minus 5 minus 1 is equal to 34. So now we will transpose this minus 1 to RHS. So 5p is equal to 34 plus 1, that is 35. 5p is equal to 35. So now this 5 we will transpose to RHS. So p is equal to 35 upon 5. So value of p is 5 ones are 5 sevens are. If you substitute this value in this, you will get LHS is equal to RHS. Now see last question, question number 4. Now question number 4, what you have to do, you have to make 3 equations where their solutions are given. X is equal to 2 is the solution given, and from this you have to make 3 equations. Okay, so see first I have make here. See, if you put x is equal to 2 in this equation, you will get RHS is equal to 8. See, put 2 here, 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Another example, see x is equal to 2 is given. Either you multiplied by 4, let us take multiplied by 5 on both the side. multiplied by 5 on both the side means 5x is equal to 2 into 5, that is 5x is equal to 10. So what will be the solution of this? X is equal to 2. So this is your next equation. In this way you have to make one more equation. This is question number 4a. Now see question number 4b. In this, solution of the equation is given x is equal to minus 2. See, one more equation I have made here. 3x is equal to minus 6. If you put x is equal to minus 6, you will get here, sorry, if you put x is equal to minus 2, you will get answer minus 6. Let us take one more example. See, x is equal to minus 2 is given. So add 3 on both the side. Add 3 on both the sides. See, x plus 3 is equal to minus 2 plus 3. What is the equation? X plus 3 is equal to minus 2 plus 3. What? 1. So this is your equation number 2. If you put here x is equal to minus 2, you will get answer this. So in this way you have to form the equations. Okay, and all the rest of the examples you have to solve in your notebook.